What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys see by the title, yes, we're opening an unboxing, making an unboxing videos, I should say. It is going to be for Stangmode's mystery box. If you don't know what Stangmode is, if you're in the car community, you should know. He's a YouTuber. He owns a Mustang GT 500, started off with the Mustang GT, and yada yada yada. But yes, he is doing a mystery box as well. Not anymore. It was actually limited. It is for a giveaway for a Mustang GT 350. I know, right? Pretty crazy. So since I did get the mystery box, it was $100. I was able to get 100 entries into the giveaway. So I have 100 entries into the giveaway. Hopefully I get to win that. But if not, congratulations to the winner. But yeah, that's what we're getting today. We are receiving a mystery box. We're waiting for UPS to deliver it. They're kind of lagging it. It says on the computer that they're gonna get here soon. But knowing UPS, with the whole coronavirus and everything, it's gonna be a while. But we'll sit here waiting. Hopefully not that long though.
One eternity later.
Holy smokes, it's here. It finally got here, guys. After all this time of waiting, let's go ahead and go pick it up. And here we are, guys. Here with the charger, by the way. Obviously you guys know that. But yeah, here's the package. Finally got it. Now let's go open it. And here we are, ready to open the package. Don't mind the balloon, guys. Today is my dad's birthday. That's why there's balloons. We're gonna do something later on. But let's go ahead and get this thing open and see what's inside. Now in order to open it, we are gonna need a little something, so let's go ahead and get that real quick. Bam, here we go. Here we are, package is open. Full little fuzzy stuff. Ford American Tradition, built in the US. Yes, I do own Mopar, but hey, support everybody. Whether it's Ford, whatever it is. Cool. So we got a shirt. Venom, of course, because of the GT 500. Awesome, awesome. I'd wear that one. Looks like another shirt. Possibly the same thing. Sounds similar, but also cool, another shirt. Actually, I've never tried this, but looks like it works for iPhone, considering the picture has an iPhone. So cool. 5.0 patch. It looks like it's like a Velcro kind of thing. Yes, it is. So I won't be sticking that to my charger, obviously. Another poster. This is Ford V8 Garage. All others will be towed. That's messed up, man. Why are you guys hating on Dodge? And finally, a backpack. It's gonna be cool because I can carry all of my stuff with it whenever I want to record out and about, and whenever I start going to car meets and whatnot. So that's gonna be coming in handy as well. Unfortunately, we did not get any of the cool prizes that they were giving. They were giving away like Apple Watches, a TV, and then giving out, I think it was Apple AirPods it was. We didn't get it, but it's all good. We still got our package where we got 100 entries into the giveaway. So remember, we could possibly win a Mustang GT 350. So we may not have gotten any of those stuff, but like I said, we can still get the Mustang. But yeah, thanks a lot, Stangmode. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe if you're new here, and as always, have a good one, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.